Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive offer for marketers and business owners who depend on high-quality email outreach. Use code EmailListVerify at checkout through the link in the video description to get 10% off your purchase. If you're looking to boost your email deliverability, reduce bounce rates, and improve your sender reputation, you need a tool that cleans up your email list with precision. That's where Email List Verify comes in. Email List Verify is a top-rated email verification service designed to validate your contacts and remove invalid or risky email addresses from your list. By doing so, it ensures that your campaigns reach real people and not just spam traps, which in turn helps you maintain a stellar sender reputation. With its fast and accurate verification process, you can save time, reduce costs, and improve the overall performance of your email marketing strategy. What makes Email List Verify stand out is its ease of use and robust feature set. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large marketing team, this tool gives you actionable insights and reliable results every time. With detailed analytics and a simple interface, you can easily monitor the quality of your email lists and make smarter, data-driven decisions. And here's the exciting part. You can get 10% off on Email List Verify when you use the promo code EmailListVerify at checkout. Simply click the link in the video description to claim your discount. If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, give Email List Verify a try today.